So sorry about that cut off in the first video. Just to carry on from the final video. So we're trying to figure out the derivative of the Lagrange's equation in terms of the angle dot n, which is equal to this equation right over here. So moving on. So now after finding that, we have to find the derivative of that whole thing in terms of t. So what you do is just look through the equation and figure out which terms are dependent on t and just derive those terms. So we know that the angle is, and that angle is 2, and t over here has to go away. So once you go through that, you figure out that that's the equation that you are left with over there. And so that whole equation has to be equal to 0. So adding up everything that you've worked on, that has to equal to 0. And once you do that, you'll figure out that some terms will cancel out. And then the ML will just, if you take it out and then you multiply it to the other side or divide it to the other side, that goes away. And what you're left with is this equation over here. Now, if W is equal to 0, then that means my motion of the angle double dotted is, double prime, is going to be just this term over here, which is exactly the motion of its pendulum. So this whole work is correct.